Now, how can you remove audio from a video on your Android device? Let's get into it. So what you can technically do is make sure you have the video saved somewhere inside of your gallery or somewhere accessible. And for this, we're gonna need to use some kind of video editor. There are more options to pick from, but the one I would recommend you to use is called CapCut. And this app is freely available, and for free you can export a few projects even without watermarks. So it's going to be usable for a bunch of different situations, even for free. And essentially, you can just start a brand new project and import the video clip into the timeline. So the clip where you have the audio, which you want to remove, right? So you're gonna put it there, and you have a bunch of different controls at the bottom. But at first, I want you to select the clip, because based on that, the icons at the bottom kind change. So I just want you to make sure it is selected right there. The icons kind of change, so you can scroll through them horizontally until you find the volume icon. And when you click on a volume, you can see that you can increase it or slide it all the way to the left and make it go to 0. So this just means that you will completely remove the audio and mute the clip entirely. So once you do this, you are basically done. All we really need to do is to export and save that video. So since we're using CapCut, the way that it works here is that at the end you have a little watermark video, so you can delete it if you don't like it. Just select it and click on the trash can, and then click on the arrow in the top right corner to export the final video without any sound or without the audio removed. So that's how you can get the clip outside of the app, and the next time you play it, it will not have any kind of audio at all. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it and perform this change. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.